welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a video that I didn't think I was gonna do ever, but I was looking through some videos and I was like, that's a good idea. So today we're going to do slime. I know that the trend of slime, it's been decreasing, but I was looking through some videos and I was like, that looks so cute, so I want to try it. So before we start, thank you for 154 subscribers. That means a lot to me, you don't even know. So if this is your first time here in this channel, hi, my name is Ashley and this channel is called Seb1917. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe down below and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl. I know this bowl is huge, but this was the only one I had clear, so you can see what I was doing. The next thing you're going to need is shaving foam. I didn't have shaving foam, just shaving gel, so let's hope this works. The next thing you're going to need is glue. You need some detergent. I didn't have detergent, I just had this pot, so I'm just going to try to cut an incision on this and take the detergent out. Let's see how that works. And last, some gloves, just because you don't know if you're going to die doing this, so just in case, use some gloves. We're gonna start by adding glue and shaving gel. After that, we're going to mix it well. So here I'm just adding more glue, and that's what I'm going to do this whole process, just keep adding things until I try to make this look perfect. Now for the detergent, I think I went a little bit overboard, but who cares? So when I realized I messed everything up, I tried to add a little bit of dishwasher soap. And I also added water. At this point, I know this wasn't going to look pretty, but I just kept trying. So when I realized this was a complete fail, I tried to make another slime with other ingredients. So for this slime, I just added a little bit of dishwasher soap and water. And obviously glue. So right from the bat, I knew this was going to be a bad idea, but I just kept trying and remembered that I needed to add a little bit of salt. I pop it into the microwave for 15 seconds just because YouTube told me to. So here I'm just making sure it's not too hot for me to burn myself. Knowing that this was a disaster, I just kept trying and added a little bit of color. At this point, this was just a colorful disaster. So I went back for the first one to see what was going on, and it wasn't doing anything, but it was nice and relaxing. So guys, that was a fail. I thought I was going to really make slime, but it didn't happen. So what I ended up with was a really thick foam thingy. I have to say, this is so satisfying to touch. As you can see, it turned out really thick. I can actually do this. The other one was a complete disaster. Look at that. I really wanted to make slime, so if you know another technique, let me know. If not, well, I'll just go and buy slime. I don't know if here in Puerto Rico I can find slime anywhere, but I'll just try another time. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you haven't done already, please subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. Bye!